A 2022 United Nations Office report on drug and crime in Nigeria indicates that 14.4% of people aged between 15 and 64 years abuse drugs. The report also showed that drugs abuse in Nigeria is prevalent across educational levels and including the secondary school level. To tackle this challenge, stakeholders in the Nigerian health sector met with students and youths in Lagos to discuss ways to prevent and address physical and mental health issues. The session titled Environmental Health Hazards, The Slow Poison was organized by the Rikolla Aid Foundation with the aim of addressing critical issues related to drug abuse and other health concerns among youths. Organizers say the goal of the program was to equip youths with valuable information and resources against drug abuse. Convener of the session, Ganiat called for government support to tackle drug abuse.
On the 29th of August 2023 precisely, the First Lady of Lagos State, Dr. Mrs. Ibijoke Sanwo-Olu, invited Rikolla Aid Foundation and a host of other foundations, parents, royal fathers and other dignitaries to her initiative that she called the Lagos Boys Initiative. She made it a point of duty for every participant there to go out there and educate the general public, particularly, parents, on how to raise children. We have a lot of menace in our society now. That's one of the reasons that we have been doing ours for the past 5 years, and that's why we're also celebrating the 50th anniversary of our event, My Health, My Investment. This is our season 10 of the program. And yes, looking through that, the fact that the First Lady has given us an assignment, we made it a point of duty to call on Lagos State students from Lagos State, both public and also private school, teachers. We called on parents, we called on entrepreneurs and all. We're very happy, we're very excited that Rikolla Aid Foundation is a non-governmental organization that is supporting the general public, irrespective of age, gender, tribe, ethnicity. It is a facility born out of the love of God, humanity, and the general concern for the common man. My Health, My Investment is a platform where we organize free medical checkup, moral, mental health and wellness program. It's a platform where we use in educating, inspiring and empowering minds. For me as a person, I'm ready to do more. This organization is ready to do more. If we can get the support and backing, of the government, not just financially, even otherwise.
In a panel session, representatives from National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, Lagos State Consumer Protection Agency, LASCOPA, and other agencies gave insights into the legal consequences of drug abuse and consumer rights on medications and other products.
I'm thankful to the organizer of this program because it will allow our youths to understand more on what we are saying about all these drugs or what we're saying about all these hazardous products. So at least they can get, they will learn more from it. The mandate of Consumer Protection Agency is to protect and promote the rights of consumers in Lagos State. So I would advise all consumers in Lagos State, it could be individual or organization, whatever you purchase or whatever you buy or services you paid for and you are not getting the right thing, please contact Lagos State Consumer Protection Agency.
Before we were born, traditional medicine have been there. And you don't, by a recent statistics by WHO, affirms that over 70% of, the world population uses traditional medicine. So the issue here is not promoting traditional medicine, but promoting wholesome use of traditional medicine.
According to the participants, promoting the concept of well-being among citizens should be a concern to all. They said sessions like these would help in improving one's mental health and physical alertness.
So far, the program has been enlightening. The first one was about drug abuse, where they talked about implications of drug abuse on the youths. And since then, they've also talked about many other things that has to do with environmental health and how we Nigerians commonize these stuffs. We feel like we are Africans, we are black, and our sun is dark, and we don't need to take care of ourselves. But it's not like that. And they've also trying to reinstate in the parents that they need to take care of their children, they need to watch over their children. Teenagers can be very secretive, so they want to go the extra mile to make sure that these children are properly taken care of. And in the aspect of drug abuse, they've said that the government should provide more employment for the youth. To students, I would say they should be careful of those they choose as their role models, because we kind of idolize these people and we don't know how much impact they have on us.
Government should make gatherings like this more often so that we'll be able to, so that more people will be enlightened on the reason why these things, all these drug abuse, misuse, should not be used.
Actually, this is the type of program that should be reoccurring most of the time, because I gain a lot. Though I'm an adult, but I still gain a lot, especially for this our youth coming up. This is type of the program government should come into their aid for an assistance to help them financially, to make them achieve their aim.
Access 24 correspondent Teslim Olaniro reports that the stakeholders agree that tackling drug abuse requires the collective efforts of everyone.